There are many products available to choose smartwatch, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best smartwatch from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. TG08 Smartwatch, feature-rich and stylish. The TG08 smartwatch is packed with 120 sports modes, making it perfect for tracking almost any physical activity, from walking and running to cycling and swimming. It includes real-time heart rate and sleep monitoring, helping you stay aligned with your health and fitness goals. Note, step tracking begins after 20 steps. Its 1.83-inch IPS HD display offers sharp visuals with a resolution of 240 by 284. You can personalize the watch with hundreds of trendy, minimalist, or professional watch faces, making it versatile for both formal and casual wear. This watch keeps you connected with Bluetooth calling and music control, along with real-time notifications from apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Rated IP67 waterproof, it's resistant to sweat, rain, and splashes. With a 350 mAh battery, you can expect 5 to 7 days of use and up to 30 days on standby. Compatible with iOS 9.0 Plus and Android 5.0 devices, it's a sleek, reliable choice for everyday use. Number 2. AMOLED Health Watch, Premium Insights. This advanced smartwatch stands out with its vibrant AMOLED display and battery life of up to 11 days in standard mode. What sets it apart is the body battery energy monitoring, which offers real-time insights into when your body needs rest based on sleep, stress, and activity. It tracks over 30 indoor and GPS-enabled sports activities, including HIIT, golf, yoga, and swimming. There's even a wheelchair mode that counts pushes instead of steps and includes tailored workouts and challenges. Sleep tracking goes beyond basic stats with personalized sleep scores, coaching, and HRV analysis. It also monitors menstrual and pregnancy health, fitness age, and stress levels. The preloaded workouts and Garmin Coach support help users of all levels improve performance. Additionally, you can download music from Spotify, Amazon Music, or Deezer for phone-free listening via Bluetooth headphones. Number 3. Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 Active Ultralight. The Redmi Watch 5 Active offers simplicity with performance. It comes with a 2.0-inch LCD display and an impressive battery that lasts up to 18 days. Whether you're a runner, swimmer, or gym enthusiast, you'll love the 140-plus built-in workout modes. It features Bluetooth calling with dual mic noise reduction for clear conversations. The 24-hour health tracking system monitors heart rate and sleep quality. It's 5 ATM waterproof, so it can handle swimming and showers easily. The smartwatch strikes a perfect balance between basic fitness needs and extended battery life. Ideal for users who prefer longevity and lightweight design over extra bells and whistles. Number 4. Fitness Tracker Smartwatch, Voice Assistant. This all-in-one smartwatch comes with 120-plus sports modes, including snowboarding, trail running, and swimming. It's 5 ATM waterproof and records detailed stats like calories, distance, and duration. The built-in voice assistant allows you to control smart devices, set reminders, and ask questions, all hands-free. Its 1.83-inch full-color screen with adjustable brightness ensures readability even under direct sunlight. With over 500 customizable watch faces and the ability to set your own photo as wallpaper, it offers true personalization. It features 24-hour heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep tracking, including REM analysis. With a 300 mAh battery, it offers up to 10 days of usage on just 2.5 hours of charge. Compatible with Android 6.0 Plus and iOS 10.0 Plus, it also includes flashlight, mini-games, breathing exercises, alarm, and even women's health tracking. Bonus, the package includes 3 different types of straps, nylon, silicone, and sport, for extra value. Number 5. Tensky Smartwatch with Alexa, Smart Assistant. For users who want voice interaction and smart features, the Tensky smartwatch delivers Alexa integration right on your wrist. You can ask questions, set alarms, control music, and check the weather, all without touching your phone. With 60 built-in sports modes, 5 ATM waterproofing, and all-day tracking for steps, distance, and calories, it's great for both casual and intense workouts. Health tracking includes sleep, heart rate, SpO2, stress levels, and even menstrual tracking. The 1.7-inch HD display is bright and responsive, and you can upload your favorite images as custom backgrounds. It includes handy tools like weather updates, reminders, breathing guidance, and a Find My Phone feature. Compatible with Android 6.0 Plus and iOS 9.0 Plus, it pairs seamlessly via Bluetooth 5.0 for fast and stable connectivity. The Tensky watch also includes a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, making it a risk-free investment for anyone stepping into the world of wearable tech. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information, or in case you need to realize product price due, check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.